I'm Green. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Boxycharm. So if you want to see what items I got in my box, keep on watching. Okay, so let's jump right into this. So the box does come with this. It's called Boxy and Chill. So that is the theme for January. I paid $21 for this subscription. It was deducted, I believe, on the 1st. So if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link in my description box. It's $21 a month, but if you want to upgrade every 3 months to get the Boxy Lux, which is $50, I believe. If I am incorrect, I'll correct that in the description box. You'll get a much bigger box. I still have the big box. Let me show you guys. Okay, I'm big salty. I do not have that box. I thought I still had it, but okay, must got thrown away. But anyway, let's jump into what I got in my box and let's have some fun. So the first item that I got is I don't know how to pronounce that. So what I'm gonna do is show this on the screen. It's this name right here. So anyway, while it's focusing, it is the Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is $12 retail. So I am gonna be using that. I really like conditioning sprays a lot. So next is the Oh Free. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick, $20. It is called Oh Free Chill. Really? Is that the name of it? Really? No, it's called Havana Nights. And this is such a beautiful red color. This is so pretty. I might wear this Friday or Saturday. I don't know. This is a sexy red, and it's dark. It's the dark, sexy blood red. That's real nice. Next is this brow pencil. This is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. This is the color. I'm gonna swatch that for you. So I'm gonna color on my hand. So it's like a nice brown. The brows I have on is darker. So I guess I can use this to fill it in to give it like a lighter effect whenever I'm wearing like blonde wigs or something like that. Let's see next. Oh, it's Dewy Face Mask. This is by Tachi. It's a 2-pack for $24. This is how they look. This is the back. So it feels dewy. That's funny. So let's see, how many items do I got left? Oh wow, I'm on the last one. So this one is the fun part because I know Boxycharm was going to decide between 3 eyeshadows to give to people. I got this one. It's called the C Volume 3 Rainforest. So this is how it looks. Their packaging always looks so nice and, I don't know, glamorous and look, you know, luxurious. But it's such a pain in the butt, you know, to get these things to open. Okay, almost messed up my nails and the eyeshadow. So this is how it looks, guys. Nice. These are some great lid colors, and the most fun thing about this is this can go on any skin tone, like any, and it will look gorgeous. So this is a great universal eyeshadow to have. This is mainly, I would use this mainly just as a lid color, or you know, put it on your lid and then swipe a matte on top of it and on the side, and you know, kind of blend it and then, you know, fade it together. So yeah, it would be a quick little easy look, or you can just use it to top off an eye look that, you know, you created. So this retails for $36. So yeah, went through all my items. This is really, like the box said, this is really a boxy, it's really a chill box this month. I didn't really get any ooh ahs like, ooh, I can't wait to have that. So yeah, it was really chill. But the only thing that I would say that I am excited about is probably this red. I never saw a deep red like this. I have tried Color Rain's Cherry Blossom, and this, I can honestly say it is darker, but you know, this is more of a red and a burgundy mixed together. It's more on the burgundy side, but you can call it red. You know what? I also want to swatch that. I'm going to take off my lipstick and swatch this. And while we're on the subject, when you want to easily take off your matte lipstick, this is what I find that works really good. You just put some chapstick on top of it. Rub your lips together. Take a wipe. And just wipe it off. And you don't have to worry about your lips getting really dry because it kind of like does it. It's like a 2-in-1. And of course, you know, I put some more chapstick on. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this on my lips real quick. Where is my mirror? So yeah, let's see. You know what? It comes on, don't this, it looks a little like brownish in person as well. Hopefully this doesn't. So when I actually put it on, it looks a little brown. Yeah, so I actually won't wear this Saturday. Y'all, we need something sexy that's gonna pop. It's not gonna pop. But this is still like a work lipstick, so we'll use that for that. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm about to get ready and, you know, close this video out. I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you want to see more of my videos, feel free to subscribe to your girl Lonnie Green. And I hope you have a positive and great weekend because tomorrow is Friday. Yeah.